A small estate affidavit is a written document that allows the rightful heirs to inherit a deceased person's estate without going through the long and complicated probate process. States have their own laws governing this process. In Louisiana, a small estate affidavit is also known as an affidavit of small succession. In this video, we'll discuss how a small estate affidavit works, requirements under Louisiana state law, and what steps you can take to file a petition. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of free legal documents. And be sure to watch until the end of this video to find a link to a fillable form for small estate affidavits in Louisiana. First, let's review how a small estate affidavit works. A small estate affidavit allows the estate to bypass the probate process, which involves going to court to figure out who gets what. When a small estate affidavit is filed by a rightful heir and no one objects to the small estate filing, the filing party will receive the assets and properties of the estate when all of the decedent's debts are paid off. This process usually takes a fraction of the time it takes for a probate procedure to move through court. So what do Louisiana state laws say about small estate affidavits? Louisiana state law requires that at least 90 days must pass after the death of the estate owner before filing an affidavit if the succession includes immovable property such as land or real estate. In addition, the estate in question must be valued at less than $125,000 in order to qualify as a small succession. However, this limit does not apply if more than 20 years have passed since the death of the estate owner. It is also required that the affidavit is signed by at least 2 heirs and is acknowledged by a notary public. Lastly, the state of Louisiana requires that any public sale of a property in the estate must be published at least once in the county where it is located. The property must be sold between 10 and 15 days after the publication. Now, here are 4 key steps to the small estate affidavit process in Louisiana. Step 1, wait 90 days and collect information. During the required wait time, it is highly recommended that you prepare an itemized list of assets and unpaid debts in the estate, as well as information on all surviving heirs. Step 2, prepare the affidavit. Download the state form for small estate affidavits and fill it out using the information collected. Step 3, get it signed and notarized. Get the affidavit signed by at least 2 people, including a surviving spouse and heir. If there is no surviving spouse, 2 adult heirs must sign it. Per the state requirement, get the form notarized. Step 4, file with the district court. Since there are no probate courts in Louisiana, file the form at the district court in the judicial district of the estate. If you are in need of an official Louisiana small estate affidavit form or any other forms regarding estate planning, probate, and more, we have thousands of state-specific ready-to-go templates available for you to download.